Imagine waking up one day with nothing, no savings, no backup, no safety net.
For most people, that sounds like a nightmare.
But what if I told you, starting from zero is not the end? It's actually a powerful beginning.
Some of the most successful people in the world have lost everything and rebuilt their lives from scratch. The difference is not money, it's mindset and strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restart your life with $0, step by step, so you can stop feeling stuck and start moving forward. Let's start with the first mistake. Mistake number 1, living at your limit. Most people spend exactly what they earn. If they make more, they spend more. This creates a dangerous cycle where no matter how much you earn, you never actually move forward. The second mistake is emotional spending. You had a stressful day, so you reward yourself. You feel low, so you buy something to feel better. But these small decisions slowly destroy your ability to build real wealth. Because money is not lost in big purchases. It disappears in small, repeated habits. Now here's where it gets even more dangerous. Mistake number 3, not having a financial buffer. If you don't have savings, even a small emergency can push you back to zero. One unexpected expense, and everything collapses. Mistake number 4, waiting for the perfect time. Many people delay saving, investing, or improving their income because they think they'll start later. But the truth is, later never comes. And the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to escape the cycle. So how do you actually fix this? First, stop spending everything you earn. Even saving a small percentage creates a gap between you and financial stress. Second, control emotional spending. Ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I just reacting to a feeling? Third, build a small emergency fund. This is your safety net. This is what protects you when life gets unpredictable. And finally, start now. Not tomorrow, not next month, right now. Because the difference between staying broke and building wealth is not luck. It's awareness and action. That is the key to your success. If this video opened your eyes, make sure you stay consistent. Because small changes today can completely transform your financial future.